control of our health and being proactive in a way that you didn't want to vision. Because I'm so type A, I don't know if you can relate. Like, wow, I never would have
to walk into the temple to experience them. So how much more do I want my might be put on to do it?
he's like honor.
Yeah, shout out.
Well, and
Yeah.
like you're even saying, and so because it's a lot easier to say, well, my dreams didn't come true. You feel like, oh, I'm giving my time to these behind the scenes. Why people would be like, oh no,
I have so many of your whole life stops and everything holds.
I've seen those. I'm like, oh, okay.
As well.
I don't even have one. Okay, so takeaway thoughts. I would.
It's 21. They're going. You get the-